I would like to invite our respected principal, Ms. Renu Puri, to come up on the stage and address the school.
Good morning, everybody. Let's settle down. The children at the back, if you don't find a place, just settle down in the aisles. Okay, let's sit up straight. Keep your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. And for a few moments, please focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. While you do that, keep all your attention on your breath. Let go of any tightness, any anxiety, any fear which you might be holding within you. And find every cell of your body relaxing. Keep your focus from the top of your head, consciously focus on every part of your face, neck, your thorax, your abdomen, your legs, your arms. And consciously take away any stress. And as you breathe in, turn your thoughts to the abundance which has been bestowed on you by the universe. And for a few moments, think about and consciously focus on everything which you have. And be in gratitude for that. And with that feeling of abundance and ingratitude, which brings about humility, rub your hands, cup your eyes, and let's welcome the day. So good morning, children. Yes, it's the end of a week where we worked, and there's a lot happening at Assembly today. And before we start, I want to call on stage Ms. Kanika Berry, who's the new teacher of English for classes 7 and 8. Ma'am, please come up on stage and introduce yourself. Please. You can see the children were waiting for you. Classes 7 and 8. Yeah.
Hi everyone, good morning. Can you all hear me? Yeah. I'm Kanika Berry, like ma'am introduced. I'm very new here, but I've heard some phenomenal things about Vivek High School. Having said so, the way I learn is slightly different. I personally don't feel that it's only the adults who teach the young children. It's also that the young can teach the adults, right? So when you see me in school and you see me lost, please lend me a helping hand. Yeah? Would you? Yeah.
Of course. I think all of you should.
Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to spend time here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and wishing you all the best. So, ma'am comes to us from Shiv Nadar School in Delhi, where she spent 6 years teaching English. So, welcome to Vivek High. Thank you.
We now have an announcement for IAYB.
The International Award for Young People, also known as the Duke of Edinburgh's Award, is a prestigious and globally recognized program that empowers young people to challenge themselves, develop new skills, and make a positive impact on their communities. We are proud to share that a total of 6 students, including 5 gold and 1 bronze, have recently been honored with this prestigious award. I would request our principal, Mrs. Renu Puri, along with Ms. Anu Sharma, to kindly join us on the stage and present these awards to the deserving recipients.
Anu, where are you?
Students are requested to come up on the stage as their names are announced.
Where is Anu, ma'am? Come, Anu. Please come, ma'am.
For the IIYP Gold Awardees, we have Mehramat Kaur Brar. She is the youngest recipient of IIYP Gold Medal from Vivek High School. Anvi Gupta.
Call out the names.
Mannat Verma,
She's not here.
Arav Sandhu,
Congratulations.
and Gurik Barar.
And the medals will come.
For our bronze awardee, we have Naitik Garg.
Anvi. Congratulations, my dear. God bless you. Bronze. Naitik.
Let's have a huge round of applause for all the awardees. We are also delighted to announce that Ms. Reenu Sharma has been honored with special meritorious certification. We request her to join us on stage to receive her recognition.
Well done, Reenu. Thank you. Well done. Anu, please come.
I would also like to invite Ms. Ritu Sharma and Monica Sharad ma'am to come up on stage for a group photograph.
Hurry up. Okay. So these are the teachers who work behind the scenes, you see, and they lead the group, and it is really heartening that over the last couple of years, maybe 2 years, we've really got into that stream where we've got so many awards at the gold level, silver level, and the bronze level. So well done, ladies, and well done, children. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Some students participated in the examination conducted by Trinity College London. I'd like the students to come up on stage as their names are announced. Hitvi Sikka from 3 Brahmaputra.
Last year's
Rabani Malhotra, 3 Amazon. Rubab Singh, 3 Amazon. Namya Janeja, Karakoram. Sanvi Verma, 3 Volga. Danya Gupta, 3 Volga. Hargun Kaur Ramana, 3 Satluj. Myra Singh, 3 Satluj. Mehreen, 3 Tigris. Shloka. Shehbaz Singh Chima, Hindu Kush. Rahmat Kaur, 3 Indus. Karen Amrit Shekhar, 6 Alps. Saransh Bansal, 5 Alps. Prabgunpreet Kaur, 4 Alps. Dheeraj, 4 Alps. Siddharth Raj, 5 Andes. Avanya, 4 Andes. Nishtha Gupta, 4 Andes. Miran Singh Mamik, 6 Appalachian. Seerath. Bhavya, 4 Appalachian. Adiyogi, 4 Appalachian. Zoya Anand, 5 Aravali. Aneta, 4 Aravali. Ambrini Bhatnagar, 6 Atlas. Mahira Verma, 6 Atlas. Adilya Singh, 4 Atlas. Mehreen Kori, 4 Atlas. Myra Jain, 5 Himalaya. Avlin Ukveja, 5 Himalaya. Amira, 4 Himalaya. Anhat Kaur, 4 Himalaya. Jasnit Singh Gulati, 4 Himalaya. Rahat Dhillon, 6 Hindu Kush. Archisha Joshi, 4 Hindu Kush. Aradhya Arora, 5 Hindu Kush. Devam Hindu Kush, grade 5. Bhavyakshi Sood, class 6 Hindu Kush. Samreen Kaur, 5 Karakoram. Ishan Garg, 4 Karakoram. Anahita Grewal, 6 Nilgiri. Shiv Singh Dhillon, Nilgiri. Aftab Singh, 6 Satpura. Agamjot Kaur, 6 Satpura. Miraya Gupta, 6 Shivalik. Chaitanya, 5 Shivalik. Samar Sartaj Singh Chima, 5 Shivalik. Rehan, 5 Shivalik. Mehtab Singh, 4 Shivalik. Ajayvik Puri, 6 Ural. Samreen Singh, grade 6 Ural. Ryansh Kapoor, class 5 Ural. Agastya Sharma, class 4 Ural. Vyom Arora, class 4 Ural. Ridan Sikka, class 7A. Jasveer Singh Sandhu, 7B. Bhageshri Kumari, class 7B. Bani Kaur Dhillon, class 7B. Karan Singh Birti, class 7C. Rabani Sopti, class 7C. Jannat Kaur Soni, class 7C. Teg Munjral Kalra, class 7C. Janya Kaur, class 7D. Nehmat Nair, class 7D. Jayvardhan Singh, class 7D. Naz Mujral, class 7D. Ashna Garg, class 7D. Viraj Chaudhary, class 8A. Yushika Khandelia, class 8A. Yugbir Singh, class 8B. Rishit Kaushik, class 8C. Arnav Kapoor, class 8C. Siddhakveer Singh.
So all these children have scored a distinction. So let's hear it for all of them once at the very prestigious Trinity exams. Well done. And the next lot we have were also very good, but they were placed in the merit category. So can you read out those, please? Yeah.
Siddhakveer Singh, class 9B. Yashnoor Singh, class 9B. Tisya Janeja, class 9C. Myra, class 9D. Myra received a distinction in the examination. Manat Rikhi with a distinction, class 9D. Zenia Brar, class 9D. Ayana Das with a distinction, class 9 IG. Aisha Sachin Bindal, again with a distinction, class 9 IG. Viraj Singh with a distinction, class 9 IG. Aryan Gupta with distinction, class 9 IG. Samarveer Singh Mamik with distinction, class 9 IG. Kriti Khanna with merit, class 9 IG. Manat Verma with distinction, class 11A2. Arav Sandhu with merit, class 11A2. And Anvi Gupta with merit, class 11C2.
So this was the lot which extended themselves beyond what we were doing in academics in class, and they have achieved laurels for everybody. Well done, children. As you move out after assembly, Your certificates are outside. You can receive them and take them home. Thank you. Start moving off from the stage, please. Thank you. And you can come from this side.
I request the students to collect their certificates from Anu ma'am and Manju ma'am at the auditorium door after the assembly. It gives me immense pleasure to share that our school's production for the Founders 2024, The Time of Our Lives, was assessed by Trinity College London and has been awarded a distinction for the students' outstanding performance. This is a true moment of pride for all of us, a testament to the talent and hard work of the students. I would like to invite the students who were a part of the production to come up on stage as their names are announced. Advita Katia, Shaina Tiwari, Virat Singh, Samarveer Singh Mamik, Vidur Suri, Aishali Singh, Aryan Gupta, Ayana Das, Ansh Gupta, Shrey Gandhi, Pratap Singh, Anya, Vidaksh Verma, Gauransh Singh, Gurmeher Kaur Bajwa, Angad Sharma, Sanaya Jain, Naitik Chandel, Adya Girdhar, Shobit Bansal, Khush Balasaria, Ahana Vasan, Harshita Bhardwaj, Inaya Mahajan, Harpriya Bakshi, Manat Rikhi, Manat Kaur Gujral, Ashar Singh Malhotra, Vanij Rana, Nakul Suri, Gitansh Goyal, Abhisar Sharma, Ranveer Dutt, Sai Krish Mahajan, Anshika Dhimman, Sachit Malhotra, Paras Batra, Parvan Singh Sekho, Advay Singh Parker, Vikas Atri, Shaurya Karmakar, Aditya Kasrija, Udaybir Singh Bal, Ahita Singh, Shaurvi Chugh, Shabek Singh, Sanand Singh, Shivasnu Goyal, Sia Sehgal, Tanishka, Suhana Kukreja, Davisha Rai, Amaira Ehsan, Aditya Khurana, Manya Mahajan, Parisha Kotwal, Meher Sekho, Ridham Dahra, Jasnoor Kaur. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? We also have Saira Mamik, Hiral Thakur and Saish Khanna, who have passed out from grade 12.
They've appeared for the board exam, so they're not here.
Yes.
Yeah. So well done.
We would also like to take this opportunity to extend our gratitude to the teachers whose unwavering guidance and support were instrumental in making this production a resounding success. Ms. Amrita Patti, Ms. Harpunit Kaur, Mr. Amin, Ms. Tejinder Sarao, Ms. Sunaina, Ms. Neeti, Ms. Preeti Sharma, Ms. Reenu, Dr. Nanspreet Kaur, Mr. Ashish, Ms. Ishita Thakur, and Ms. Abida Nirmohi.
Come here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. So guys, your hard work paid off, and to get a distinction at grade 8, was it?
8.
Yes, that's the top grade at Trinity.
And also when we perform outside.
Yeah, and you didn't perform on this stage. You performed at the Tagore Theatre, which was a huge challenge. But hats off to all of you, and heartiest congratulations that you managed to get the top grade at the top level of Trinity. Well done, all of you. Let's hear it for them. You do us proud, guys. Again, your certificates are outside. As you step out from assembly, you can collect them there. Thank you. God bless you all.
Hitvi Sikka of Class 4 Shivalik won the consolation medal in the under 11 female category of 250 competitors in the New Delhi Open International Chess Tournament held from 18 to 20th April. I request Hitvi to collect her medal from the stage. Can we have a round of applause for her? Ridan recently participated in the New Delhi Open International FIDE-rated Classical below 1800 chess tournament held in New Delhi from 18th to 20th April. Out of a total of 1,119 participants, he scored an impressive 4.5 points across 9 rounds. Now he has officially become an international FIDE-rated player with a rank of 1408. Among 310 participants in the under-14 category, Ridan secured the 9th position. He has been awarded a medal and a trophy in recognition of this achievement. Congratulations to the awardees.
Good morning, everyone. Rehat Kaur Brar of Class 9C, Shivang Kakkar of Class 10IG, and I, Aisha Sachin Bindal of Class 10IG, participated in the Frankenstein Debate Tournament held at IIT Delhi. It is recognized as the largest sustainability debate in the country. The team was a part of the senior category comprising of grades 9th to 12th. The competition engaged the students in debates around some of the most pressing global issues, including sustainability, technological responsibility, and ethical decision and policy making. Our team qualified through the preliminary rounds, progressed to the semifinals, and ultimately won the finals with a unanimous verdict from an 11 adjudicator panel. I'd like to request anyone to please hand out the awards.
Shivang and please come. So should we do Aisha first? Yes, come Aisha. Congratulations to you and well done, Aisha. Come Shivang. God bless you and well done. We are so proud of you. And yes, well done. Congratulations, my friend. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am. We now hand over the stage to Class 12A.
In today's assembly, Class 12A will take you on a journey through time and space, exploring how celestial cycles have long inspired the rituals and rhythms of human culture. Astronomy is more than the study of stars. It's the ancient science of understanding the universe and our place within it. In India, this connection goes beyond telescopes and textbooks. Our festivals are cosmic alignments in disguise, celebrations rooted in celestial rhythms that harmonize humanity with the universe. Long before modern science, Indian sages were watching the skies, recording planetary motions, and using these observations for timekeeping, agriculture, rituals, and astrology. Visionaries like Aryabhatta weren't just mathematicians, they were cosmic storytellers. Aryabhatta's work shaped the Hindu lunar calendar, helping to calculate moon phases, planetary positions, and time cycles. This knowledge still guides our festival dates today.
The Hindu New Year typically arrives in March or April, guided by the movements of the moon and the sun. But have you ever wondered why this timing feels so different from January 1st? Unlike the start of Gregorian calendar, which marks no noticeable shift in nature, the Hindu New Year is deeply rooted in science and symbolism. It marks the season of renewal, a time when nature awakens. Trees begin to sprout fresh leaves, flowers burst into bloom, and fields offer their first harvest, reflecting a world in vibrant renewal. Though celebrated under different names across India, Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra Yugadi in Karnataka, Baisakhi in Punjab, the essence remains the same.
Have you ever questioned why Hindu festivals don't fall on the same date every year? Why Diwali sometimes comes in October and sometimes in November? Well, it's because Hindu festivals follow the movements of the moon and the sun. Festivals like Diwali and Holi depend on lunar days and moon phases. Festivals like Makar Sankranti and Baisakhi align with the sun's movement into new zodiac signs. So every festival is not just a tradition, it's a celestial event. Holi, it's a festival of colors which marks the victory of good over evil and celebrates love and unity. Scientifically, it aligns with the arrival of spring, a time of renewal, blooming, and agricultural abundance. Diwali, it's the festival of lights. It celebrates light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance. On a scientific level, the festival follows the harvest when farmers celebrate abundance. The lighting of the lamps may also help repel insects during seasonal transitions. Pongal and Lori are expressions of gratitude for the harvest and community bonding. Scientifically, they celebrate the sun's northward shift, marking the transition from winter to longer, warmer days. Bonfires, which are a central ritual, symbolize both purification and the return of warmth.
Ancient wisdom, modern lives. These festivals aren't just rooted in the religion. They serve practical, ecological, and astronomical purposes. Agriculturally, mark sowing, harvest, and seasonal transitions. Socially, encourage gratitude, bonding, and celebration. Environmentally, promote awareness of natural cycles and sustainability. They create a rhythm of life that keeps us in sync with nature and the cosmos. We are the universe celebrating itself. So the next time you light a diya on Diwali or throw colors during Holi, remember, you're not just upholding tradition. You're honoring the skies, the earth, and the intricate web that connects them. The stars don't just belong to the sky, they belong to our stories too. Ancient Indian astronomy continues to guide the modern celebrations, blending science with spirituality. It's a timeless reminder. We're not separate from the cosmos, we're part of its eternal rhythm. Now, over to Shaurya for the news.
On 22nd April 2025, a terrorist attack in Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir resulted in the deaths of 26 tourists and injuries to 17 others. In response, India has downgraded diplomatic relations with Pakistan, accusing it of supporting cross-border terrorism, although no specific evidence has been provided. The Enforcement Directorate has initiated proceedings to seize assets worth 660 crores linked to the Associated Journals Limited, the publisher of National Herald newspaper. The ED's actions have sparked political debates with BJP, accusing the Congress of corruption. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US Vice President J.D. Vance have made significant strides in trade negotiations, aiming to finalize a deal to avoid impending US tariffs. The discussions also covered cooperation in energy, defense, and strategic technologies, with both nations working to resolve tariff-related disputes during a 90-day pause on new US tariffs.
Now we have the international news. Pope Francis, the first non-European pope in over 1200 years, died at the age of 88. His tenure was marked by efforts to decentralize church authority and emphasize social justice. The Catholic Church now prepares to elect his successor. Scientists have detected compounds in the atmosphere of exoplanet K2-18b that, on Earth, are only produced by life. This discovery is considered the strongest evidence yet of potential biological activity beyond our solar system. AI voice analysis can now detect early-stage Parkinson's disease with up to 99% accuracy by identifying subtle changes in speech patterns. These systems use machine learning to analyze vocal biomarkers like pitch and jitter, offering a non-invasive, accessible, and remote-friendly method for early diagnosis and monitoring. While the technology is promising, it still needs further validation across diverse groups and clinical settings to ensure reliability and secure integration into healthcare systems.
Now we'll have the sports news. The Copa del Rey final between Barcelona and Real Madrid will be held on Sunday in Spain. This will be the third El Clasico of the season, with Barcelona having won the last two. RCB beat RR by 11 runs in yesterday's match for the first time at their home ground, with Virat Kohli scoring a crucial knock of 70 runs. Currently, Gujarat Titans is at the top of the points table, while Chennai Super Kings are at the bottom. Over to Praveen for the thought of the day.
Baisakhi, a festival that reminds us that as you sow, so shall you reap. Let us sow love, empathy, and the most important seed of awareness in society, to reap mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Continuing our journey through festivals with celestial connections, we now present a glimpse into Baisakhi, a celebration rooted in both seasonal change and spiritual significance. For the Baisakhi presentation by the Punjabi department, I call upon Agam and Sabya from 12A.
ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਮੇਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਹੈ। ਉਂਝ ਤਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਤੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਮਨਾਏ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ, ਪਰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਹੈ। ਇਹ 13 ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖ ਦੀ ਸੰਗਰਾਂਦ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਾ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ, ਧਰਮ ਤੇ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਦੀ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਬਹੁਪੱਖੀ ਹੈ। ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ।
ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ। ਇਹ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਹਾੜੀ ਯਾਨੀ ਕਣਕ ਦੀ ਫਸਲ ਪੱਕਣ ਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੇਲਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਮਨਾਉਂਦੇ, ਭੰਗੜੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਹਾਵਾਂ ਭਾਵਾਂ ਦੀ ਤਰਜਮਾਨੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਧਨੀ ਰਾਮ ਚਾਤ੍ਰਿਕ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਗੀਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਹੈ। ਤੂੜੀ ਤੰਦ ਸਾਂਭ ਹਾੜੀ ਵੇਚ ਵੱਟ ਕੇ, ਲੰਬੜਾਂ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਾਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ, ਕੱਛੇ ਮਾਰ ਵੰਜਲੀ ਆਨੰਦ ਛਾ ਗਿਆ, ਮਾਰਦਾ ਦਮਾਮੇ ਜੱਟ ਮੇਲੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ।
ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ। ਇਹ ਮੇਲਾ ਧਾਰਮਿਕ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਹੱਤਵਪੂਰਨ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਦਿਨ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ 10ਵੇਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿਖੇ ਕੇਸਗੜ੍ਹ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਥਾਨ 'ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਭਾਰੀ ਇਕੱਠ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ 13 ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ 1699 ਈਸਵੀ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਦੀ ਸਥਾਪਨਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਇਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਪਾਧੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਤੇ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਇਆ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਇਹ ਦਿਨ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਪੰਥ ਦੀ ਸਥਾਪਨਾ ਦਿਵਸ ਵਜੋਂ ਬੜੀ ਧੂਮਧਾਮ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਨੰਦਪੁਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਵਿਖੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ।
गुरु जी ने पहले दरबार में सुच्चे स्थान के खड़ोती सरकार अपना हत्तर नजर आ उन्होंने म्यान के निश्चित तेरी कटे फिर तेरी ऊंचा कर दिया गर्जी ने हासिल किया कि उन्होंने एक सीस की दौड़ है कोई प्यारा से सीस को करने लगे गुरु जी ने ये शर्त सुनी कि यह का सन्ना का है चुप हो सारे कि एक ही होना है गुरु जी ने सीसी महमूद है इस बार लाहौर निवासी पालन दयाराम संग करते फिर हाथा की गुरु जी ने किया कि वो अपना सीस स्थापन करने गया है गुरु जी उन्होंने पीछे लगाए तंदुरुस्त चले जब गुरु जी को स्थापना ले आए तब उन्होंने तेज लहू हल्की चीजें सी दीवान में हाजिर बहुत ही लोग प्रहरीत हो गए गुरु जी ने पहला नाम मोसी जैन नाम बताया दूसरी बार ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦੇ ਭਾਈ ਧਰਮਚੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਿਕਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਗਏ। ਇਸ ਸਰਕਾਰ 5 ਵਾਰੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਤੀਜੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਭਾਈ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਰਾਏ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਜਰੇਗਾ ਹੋਈ ਪਸੰਦ, ਚੌਥੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਦੁਆਰਕਾ ਦੇ ਭਾਈ ਮੋਹਨ ਚੰਦ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਵੀਂ ਵਾਰ ਵਿਦਰ ਦੇ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਚੰਦ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਰਪਣ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। ਕੋਚੇ ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੰਜੀ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਅਸਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਜੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੰਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆਏ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 5 ਪਿਆਰੇ ਕਿਹਾ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਟਾ ਜਲ ਤੇ ਠੰਡਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਦੇ ਜਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਸੇ ਪਾਏ ਤੇ ਪਾਣੀਆਂ ਪੜੀਆਂ ਖੰਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਸ ਜਲ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਲਾ ਦਿੱਤੇ। ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਕੀਤਾ। ਇਹ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਛਾਇਆ। ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਆਪ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਣ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸੰਮੁਖ ਹੋਏ। 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਇਆ। ਕਾਫੀ ਦੂਜੇ ਲਾਭ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਅਨੋਖੀ ਮਿਸਾਲ ਦੀ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ 5 ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਲਾਇਆ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਜੋੜਿਆ ਕਿ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਰਾਏ ਤੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਿੰਘ ਬਣ ਗਏ। ਇਸ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਖਾਸ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਦੀ ਸਾਧਨਾ ਹੋ ਗਈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਮ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਆ। ਇਸ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਜਾਤ ਪਾਤ ਊਚ ਨੀਚ ਤੇ ਰੁੱਖਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੰਨ੍ਹਣ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਬੰਧਨ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ। ਉਹ ਨਿਰਭੈ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਚਾਹਣਗੇ। ਉਹ ਲੋਕ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਹਾਇਤਾ ਕਰਨਗੇ। ਉਹ ਉੱਚੇ ਤੇ ਸੱਚੇ ਆਸਣ ਬੈਠਣਗੇ। ਉਹ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਣਗੇ, ਚੁੱਪ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਣੀ ਛਕਣਗੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਭਲੇ ਅਜਿਹੇ ਕਈ ਅਸੂਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਵਾਈ ਦੱਸੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਉਸਦੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਸ਼ਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ। ਨਸ਼ੇ ਸੇ ਤੇ ਦੁੱਖ ਦਾ ਨਾਸ਼ ਕਰਨਾ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ 5 ਕਾਰ ਪਾਲਣ ਲਈ ਕਿਹਾ। ਇਸ ਕੰਲਾ ਖੜਾ ਕਿਰਪਾਨ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ। ਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ 5 ਸਿੰਘ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਆਹ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹੋਣਗੇ।
ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ। ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ। ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੀ ਇਤਿਹਾਸਕ ਮਹੱਤਤਾ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ 13 ਅਪ੍ਰੈਲ 1919 ਈਸਵੀ ਨੂੰ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਗ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ ਵਿਖੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋਏ ਨਿਹੱਥੇ ਭਾਰੀ ਇਕੱਠ ਨੂੰ ਜਨਰਲ ਡਾਇਰ ਨੇ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਭੁੰਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ। ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਲੋਕ ਮਾਰੇ ਗਏ। ਕਈ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਾਨ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਖੂਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਛਾਲ ਮਾਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ। ਇਸੇ ਲਈ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣੇ ਖੂਹ ਨੂੰ ਖੂਨੀ ਖੂਹ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਖੂਨੀ ਖੂਹ ਅਤੇ ਗੋਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਜਲਿਆਂਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੇਖੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਨ।
ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਉਮੰਗਾਂ ਦਾ ਤਿਉਹਾਰ ਹੈ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਹੁਣ ਸਮਾਇਰਾ ਭਾਟੀਆ ਜਮਾਤ 6ਵੀਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਸੁਣਾਏਗੀ।
Everyone is requested to not clap once the Shabad is over, please. Thank you.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Now, I call upon Mehak Preet from 12A for the presentation by the dance department.
Martha Graham once said, "Nobody cares if you can't dance well. Just get up and dance. Great dancers are great because of their passion." Good morning. Today we gather to celebrate something beautiful, universal, and deeply human, World International Dance Day. International Dance Day, celebrated annually on April 29th, is a global event that honors the art of dance and its ability to connect people across cultures. Established in 1982 by the International Theatre Institute, it pays tribute to Jean-Georges Navarre, a pioneer of modern ballet. This day encourages individuals to embrace the joy, creativity, and expression that dance brings to life. Goals of this day: promote dance and raise awareness about it as an art form and role in cultural expression, foster inclusivity, celebrating diversity and highlighting the richness and variety of dance styles from around the world, inspiring creativity, building a community, and uniting people globally. Why is dance so important? Dance is often described as the hidden language of the soul, but science shows us that it is also the language of the brain, the body, and even our emotions. When we dance, our brains release dopamine and endorphins, chemicals that elevate mood and reduce stress. Studies in neuroscience show that dancing can improve memory, balance, and even help prevent cognitive decline. Dance engages multiple systems of the body, be it cardiovascular, musculoskeletal, or neurological. Dance enhances coordination, agility, and spatial awareness, improving balance and motor skills. But beyond science, dance is connection. It empowers individuals to communicate feelings and ideas, enhancing creativity and self-confidence. On this World International Dance Day, let's celebrate not just the steps, styles, or the stages, but the power of dance to bring people together, to heal, to express, and to inspire. So whether you dance in a studio, in your room, or just in your heart, never stop moving. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's have a huge round of applause for 12A.
Everyone to please note, auditions for the performance assembly will be taking place according to the following schedule. On 26th of April from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. The auditions will be held for classes 4, 5 and 7. For classes 6, the auditions will be held on 17th May because of their upcoming trip. On 1st of May from 1 to 2:20 p.m. auditions for class 12. And on 10th of May 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. class 8 to 10, and on 2nd May from 2:20 to 3:55 p.m. class 9. The last day to fill in the Google form for interested participants is today. Thank you.
Please give the dates, revised dates for the performance assembly. 23rd and 24th.
Alright, the revised dates for the performance assembly are 23rd and 24th of May. Thank you.
I request everyone to please rise for the school song.